We'll learn how to expand your trading platform layout to include more charts, a way to organize, and multiple different time frames on your charts. In a previous lesson, we learned how to set up this single chart and market depth, but now let's go ahead and expand. Let's build a great set of charts that will include different time frames. Start by making sure your workspace is unlocked. This will allow us to do some editing to our layout. Click this lock icon until you see the platform is unlocked. Now, go to Terminal and select Charts. As you can see here, we have just added another chart. For this illustration, we need to do the same instructions 2 more times. This will get us a total of 4 charts that are ready to work with. Next, let's space out these 4 charts that are currently in tab format. Let's get them to be 4 separate charts that we can see all at once. Grab one of the chart tabs by left mouse click and holding. Drag towards the center of the screen. You will see a legend map appear in the center of the chart. Continue to drag without letting go of the mouse until you have selected the side you want the chart to be on. Release the mouse when you have selected which side you want the chart to be on. In this case, I have dropped the chart on the right side. Grab the next chart that is currently in tab form and drag it out to a chart to pull up the legend map. Select where you want the chart to go. I will keep building out the chart layout to have 4 charts that I can see all at one time. Now we have set up multiple charts that we can see all at one glance. Let's now add a few charts in tab format so we can see multiple time frames on a stock. Go up to Terminal and select Charts. We see a chart added to the tabs in this area. Grab the chart by its tab and drag to one of our other charts. If we want to move the chart into tab format, drag the chart into the middle of the map legend. Continue this process of creating a chart and dragging to the areas you want. Now, we have multiple charts that we will set up with different time frames. Select one of the tabs on the chart and select a time frame you want to see. I will set up the first chart tab to have the 1-minute candles. Now, I will select the second chart tab and set it up with 5-minute candles. Now, let's tie these charts together with our market depth window so that when you type in a stock, you will see it across all the corresponding linked windows. Finally, select the link icon on all the charts or different windows that you want to link up. This concludes the video on Introduction to Working with Charts. Check out the video playlist to see more. Thanks for watching.